Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on Oculus Quest 2. To begin, you absolutely need a powerful gaming PC. This is because Call of Duty isn't native to the Quest 2, so your computer will be doing all the heavy lifting, streaming the game to your headset. Ensure your PC boasts a strong graphics card, like an NVIDIA RTX 20 series or AMD RX 5000 series or newer, at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a modern processor. These specifications are crucial for a smooth and immersive virtual reality experience. Next, let's get your software ready. First, install the Oculus PC application on your computer. This is vital for managing your Quest 2 connection. Then, download and install Steam and Steam VR, as many PC VR titles, including Call of Duty if you're using a VR mod, rely on this platform. Of course, you'll need to purchase and install your chosen Call of Duty game on your PC. For an even better wireless experience, consider investing in a third-party streaming solution, like Virtual Desktop. Now, let's connect your Quest 2 to your PC. For the most stable and high-quality experience, use an Oculus Link cable. This physical connection ensures maximum bandwidth. If you prefer wireless freedom, Oculus AirLink is an excellent option, but you'll need a robust Wi-Fi 6 router, and your PC should be connected to it via an Ethernet cable. Alternatively, Virtual Desktop provides another fantastic wireless streaming method, often praised for its low latency and ease of use. Finally, it's time to launch and play Call of Duty in virtual reality. Once your Quest 2 is successfully connected, launch Steam VR from your PC or directly through your Quest 2 Oculus Link or AirLink menu. Then, simply navigate to your Call of Duty game within Steam or your PC's game launcher. If you're utilizing a specific VR mod for Call of Duty, make sure it's correctly installed and configured beforehand. Adjust your in-game settings for the best possible performance and comfort within the VR environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.